Hey there. Have cash to deposit but the branch is closed? You can deposit cash at many Bank of America ATMs, day or night, without an envelope. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to do it. Find a Bank of America ATM that accepts cash deposits, most do. Insert your debit card and enter your PIN. Select Deposit and choose the account. Insert your cash bills directly into the deposit slot. The ATM will count them and show you the total on screen for confirmation. The funds are usually available immediately or within one business day. Always get and keep your receipt. My crucial pro tip? Don't use an envelope and make sure bills are unfolded. Modern ATMs count cash electronically. Insert bills directly, one at a time if needed, ensuring they aren't crumpled or torn. The machine will reject any it can't count reliably. That's how you add cash to your account on your own schedule. Do you find depositing cash at an ATM easier than going inside to a teller? Why or why not? Let me know in the comments. For more convenient banking guides, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.